How to log in into your ADP Payroll account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for API Payroll account login. You will be landing on this page. Scroll down and tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official page of ADP. In here, you'll get to see the category of your account. You need to choose your specific category. All you want to do is click on it. And then you'll land on this page. In here it says, pick the option that describes you best. From here, choose a specific option. And then click on next. It will land you on this page where you'll be able to log into your account. First of all, enter your user ID and then click on next. After that, you have to enter the password of your account and then click on login. Once you click on login, you will be logged into a specific account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your ADP Payroll account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.